This is just one road. I mean, I'm going to show you guys later in this video. This entire community is wiped out. Jesus. Damn. We're coming less supplies for anybody who needs it in the area. Baby food, applesauce.
Oh yeah, you go straight to the power line's down in the road. I think they just cut the power now. They're working on clearing them.
What are you looking at?
What are you doing?
What are you doing? Wait, there might be a road there. Oh, there is a road there. Never mind.
Who's the bigger fool?
Pity the fool. The fool pities me. Jerky. Yeah. See, the thing with the casinos is it just like you would think it brings a bunch of people, a bunch of tourists are going to come to this casino. Every business is going to start doing good.
Yeah, all the businesses are out of business.
Yeah. They get no.
The only thing that's still open are smoke shops and gas stations. All the hotels look like shit. All the restaurants are closed.
Yeah.
This was just open a year ago. This was like the last one standing right here.
Yeah.
And look at it. This was a year ago this thing was open. Maybe two. But yeah, it's not been long though. And now it's already crumbling.
Yeah.
There's the 10 Commandments.
If a casino comes to your small town, run. Run.
I was gonna one up me, that's alright.
There ain't no one up, man. See, you're the one viewing it like that. I'm just adding my own anecdotal story.
Add
to
your
your
one up to
story.
this. My one story.
There ain't no one up. We're both equal, man. Well, I mean, I'm a little bit better, but I don't throw that in your face.
So repeatedly.
All right, we'll get back. Damn. Holy shit. Holy shit, dude.
Holy fuck.
God,
Watch
man.
it all
Watch
out.
out,
Oh
dude.
my God.
Don't fucking fall off. Jesus
Put that
Christ.
down there.
Wow.
Oh my God.
Wow. Wow. Damn, dude. Yeah, guys, we're here off of I-40. This is my dad, John. I'm Connor. Whoa. Wow. Whoa. Whoa. Wow, the damage is just so bad, guys. It's just really, really bad.
Look at that
out
pylon where it's, you can see where they're pushed in.
here. Yeah.
And that's busted. Look how much this busting is down there.
Yeah. Holy
Like
shit.
the third one down,
Yep,
1, 2, 3.
yep,
Down here at the bottom, down here, look at the scouring on the rebar of the pile of the column.
Yep. Wow.
Jeez.
Holy shit. That crane's operating right here.
Driving on that shit.
Fuck no. We were.
Yeah.
We were. This is I-40, guys, the main interstate into Asheville. Just look at all that destruction. We'll be going over there here soon, don't you worry. Hopefully we don't lose daylight. Try to be a little swift. You ready to bounce, old man?
Yeah.
Hell yeah. I should have put on my chest mount. Right now I'm just holding the camera. It's very, very inefficient. Definitely don't step on those. I'm sure they're not active or nothing, but they literally will not let any more vehicles go by this point. Vulcan barrier. That's cool. It's cool as fuck, actually. Don't see any no trespassing signs. Wonder what the likelihood of going to jail is. I don't think this is illegal. It can't be illegal to do this. I mean, it's beautiful, the scenery, but paired with the destruction, it's just like hot. Really want to watch your footing when you're passing by all these power lines. Stuff you don't see every day, you know? Main road. Which are completely fucked. You can see the water just rose so high up over this road. It looks like there's a point up there where there is no road. We're gonna go see it. Another one. I wanna make sure you step over it. Gorgeous. Just absolutely gorgeous. Major infrastructure taken out like this. I mean, I don't know. I know it's probably top of their priority list to get all of this shit fixed, but I just start thinking logistically about how do you do that? What's the cost analysis of doing that? What kind of upgrades can you make to make sure it doesn't happen again? It's just terrible when things like this happen, you know? And they're not letting nobody over here. This is all just closed off. I feel like a homeless man right now, wandering. I'm a wanderer, a wanderer. We are starting to get into the bricks and brambles now of it. It's just starting. Up ahead, you'll see soon how much worse it gets. Just chunks of the road gone, guys. Gosh. Look at how high the water has to get. Jesus. Poor road. There's just dirt all around up on the road ahead. Yep, the road. And then it's just all just sand. And that's exactly what it is. It's just sand. Corpse falling from the top of the mountain, breaking down into little powder. Kind of cool. It's like I'm on the beach. Yeah, and this is where it starts to get the worst. Don't lose your balance, Connor. Jesus Christ. This is heartbreaking. I'm sorry for the cussing and the laughing. It's just, you know, seeing stuff like this hitting so close to home. It's overwhelming. I just don't, gosh. Getting to the end of the line here, folks. Beautiful country, though. It's just mesmerizingly beautiful. Perfect time of year. And this is where the road just ends. Wow. Jesus. Everybody pray for everybody in Irwin, Tennessee, North Carolina, all the surrounding counties. This is just one road. I mean, I'm going to show you guys later in this video, this entire community is wiped out. So look at this stuff. Then we can decide what to do from there. completely washed out right here. Wow. Holy shit. Railroad tracks. Holy shit. Jesus. This is like the main bridge going across. Holy fuck. You can see they've kind of set up like a makeshift help camp over here for everybody. A lot of people displaced. All of these vehicles you see washed down the shore. Hey, brother. You own the place? You wouldn't mind if I go in and film some of the damage, would you?
Yeah.
No, you wouldn't mind? I'm Connor, by the way.
I'm Michael.
Michael, nice to meet you, man.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah. Born and raised around here, man?
Yeah, I was born and raised right here.
Right here, dude. You can just tell it's for somebody's home. Michael outside. Tore a hole in the side of his house. This poor guy. Jesus. If anybody would like me to set up a donation button, just let me know so you can donate to the families affected by Hurricane Helene out here in North Carolina, East Tennessee, East Virginia, everywhere affected. Gin Wars, we've already made, of course, significant contributions, fiscal and non-fiscal. But if you guys would like to donate, just let me know and I'll set up a donation button for everybody. Anything helps for these people. It really does. The things these guys are going through and have to rebuild, it's just astronomical. So. going any further, so we shall go further. Holy shit. It's like a 40-foot drop. Jesus. Oh crap. Just the pure amount of destruction. Mother Nature is just insane. Got this tree down in the road here. Half the road's gone. Wow, look at this. People have come and left supplies for anybody who needs it in the area. Baby food, applesauce. Parts of the road, this is the bottom of a concrete road, just flipped on top of each other. That's how strong the river current was. And look at that. You can see where the river rose. Come all the way up here, washed it out. Holy crap. This is fucking awful. Somebody's house.